After creating your app here on the Facebook developers app dashboard, you need to come and create an event here, set up an event here, and engage with your business across. So you click here, set up. So you now select Android because the app I'm doing here is an Android app. So you say download the Facebook SDK and all that. So this has already been done, so I'll click next. So this information will all be added there. So this code has already been added, so we'll click next. These are all the strings and everything that you need. Click next. Default activity. So package name. Your package name will need to identify your Android app. We use this to let people download your app from Google Play. If you don't have it installed, you can find this in the Android manifest. So the package name here is you can confirm that from the Play Store. This is the app on the Play Store. So this is the package name com.app.z360. Copy it and we go back here. We were doing the setup, then we paste that. So now this is the default activity class. So once you put this, you save. Then you add your development and release hashtags, then login app details, then you verify the app. Once all this is done, the app is going to be set up. That's when Facebook will be able to detect that app on the store.